successful business starts with a strong mindset. Namaskar. I, CS Pavanogra, hereby welcome my viewers to Systec Business School podcast, where we believe that we can make you fall in love with the important sector of our economy that is business. So, whether you are a budding entrepreneur or a student who's looking forward for business opportunities, this is the platform for you because we believe that best preparation for tomorrow starts from today. Here, I have two beautiful ladies with me today who are driving the Saga group of institutes with their broader vision and aspects. We have Dr. Neha Jain, who has 18 years of academic experience and is currently heading Department of Management at Systec Business School, Gandhinagar. Hello, madam. And also, we have Ms. Prachi Srivastav ma'am, who has 15 years of experience and is currently heading the corporate relations at Sagar Group of Institutes. So, ma'am, moving forward to our podcast today, I would like to start with our academics. What makes you think that Sister Business School is pedagogy driven, or what is it is offering to the students beyond the classroom?
Oh, I love that phrasing, beyond the classrooms. Actually, that is our pedagogical philosophy. We have experiential classrooms. We don't believe in the traditional classroom teaching. Here, we follow the case based pedagogy method, in which we discuss not only the Harvard cases, but cases from the Indian companies like Reliance, Titan, Infosys, wherein management students discuss the crisis, they discuss the failures of the corporates, they discuss the success of the corporates, and develop an insights which no classroom lecture can replicate. Other than this, we also follow the flipped classroom model, wherein the students come prepared with the video lectures. So the classroom time is not used for the traditional teaching. The time is used for the discussion, debates, so that they can develop the business insights. Other than this, we also have a knowledge series in which we call industry experts from different domains of management, and this basically is the most crucial time for the body managers to develop the insights about the real happenings of the corporate sector. And this time basically makes up their mind regarding their career avenues ahead, their corporate readiness, and so on.
Prachi ma'am, that was really beautiful name. Ma'am. Prachi ma'am, moving on to you. You have been heading the corporate relations department, which is definitely the most difficult one, right? So, what has been your observation regarding the corporate sector and also the students that you are grooming? That how Systec has finally groomed the students to make them ready for the cubicles right after they jump from their classrooms?
Right. So the industries are really demanding these days, and what we have observed since last years, students are preparing themselves very robustically. So what is the need of the hour? They have to develop a growth mindset where they have to really work on their attitude and their soft skills and their technical skills as well. So students at SISTEC, as we have rightly covered the entire pedagogy, all these caselets help them to, feature the real world scenario when they are live working with these corporates and finishing up with their life projects as a minor or the major. So they get the real industry exposure. Beyond these, they have the different surveys where they need to attend certain corporates on their specialization basis, and there they need to meet up a particular projects. Based on that, their mindsets, they have the industry exposures, and likely they will understand what all corporates are inbuilt. There is a cross-culture functionality with each and every corporates. So the learning right from the internship and to develop a corporate portfolio, it's really essential for students level. At Systec, we are practicing all these things since years.
Okay, adding on to this, what Prachi said, our Systec edge is we start early so that students stay ahead and succeed faster. So for BBA, we have career advancement training where students build strong foundation in quantitative aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and general awareness so that they can be prepared for the competitive exams ahead. Talking about MBA, we have campus recruitment training cell, which prepares them for the recruitment training. They have resume building workshops, they have training sessions, mock drill interviews, they have group discussions. So, this is the integral part of our training at SBS, which prepares them for the campus recruitment drives. And it is started from the day one they join the college.
Okay, my another question for both of you would be, currently our technology is AI driven. So why management should be the first preference for the students, and what next level training we are giving them to make their position just go hand in hand with the AI in the corporate sector.
Basically, AI is a tool which not only management, not only engineering, it is the basic necessity these days with each and every student, each and every even the corporates. So it is not something like a specialization subject or something, but it is a day-to-day daily task filters which you need to understand and opt very rigorously in your daily alignments. So with cystic students, for instance, give you a very simple example about that. Previously, students are working on their resumes and adding on to the content, and they manually get them checked to a faculty or a trainer. These days, AI have already developed the tools so they can have the ATS verified resumes with them. Even they can suggest on the modifying and the modification of those CVs. And even to that, if a corporate is coming to hire them, accordingly as per their job description receiving, they can alter the resumes accordingly. And students will get the benefit. They are saving the time. They are more focused on the productivity, and hence they can change their preposition towards a portfolio making to the profile development.
Okay, so moving forward, there's one curiosity that has suddenly arisen into my brain. If just imagine that I am into your college for a campus drive, every domain related student is quite flourishing in technical skills, but I'm just looking for that one spark. Like for example, I can say there are lakhs of students who enter into IIT, but only few of them crack IIT, and then they have to survive the IIT's 4 years as well. That means they have the similar kind of crowd at IIT. So once they have cracked the placement drive, okay, fine, I have hired them. Then how are they going to survive in my corporate world? Do you have any tips for them? How Systech prepares the students?
We are actually working on the 0 day skill gap. So students once entered in the corporate world, they are the mature enough to handle those things in the prior world, because internship is the crucial part, and they have been undergoing with this process since 45 days to 1 month breaks. Students here at Systech, they have been prepared in such a manner that they will become with a mature mindsets. So once they will be joining the corporates, so they are in a position to deal with the corporate culture. They are well settled down in the culture perspectives, as they have undergoing with the crucial internships right from 30 days to 45 days, and they have learned what this typical 9 to 5 criteria. Beyond that, what we have trained personally them is in active listening, is the patience communication, and
Correct.
more to that, the mindset where they can drive, you can say the empathy kind of thing. So students will be well prepared mentally and physically to face those challenges, and even instead of going into deep on profiles, they can work holistically with the corporates. So it is not something focusing on only on ROI, but they need to achieve by following the ethics as well.
Okay. Well, if I was a college student, then coming to college daily would be like for 365 days, it would be quite boring. There has to be some activity, some events to, just to indulge myself into co-curricular, because I can't be a bookworm. So, Neha ma'am, this question goes for you. What events does Systech holds for throughout the calendar year?
Oh, I just love that because at SBS we believe that these are not extracurricular activities, rather they are curriculum, because these are the actual leadership skills which we are imbibing in our students. Like we recently host a Head Start, wherein we have called experts from different industries, from Ernst and Young, HCL, Hexaware, Swiggy. So such kind of events. Then we have Exuberance, our annual management fest, wherein the students from different B schools all over the nation, they come, they compete, they present the business plans, they face the team games, real challenges, simulation HRs, and all the practices. So these are our flagship events, and other than these, we also have our management activity club wherein students plan their own budgets. They call the industry professionals. They develop the actual coordination. They develop the actual team building skills. And I believe that
So this is how Systec is, well responsible to make them corporate ready. So right from their, proficiency testing to their leadership quality, everything will be imbibed in such a manner that they will not be feeling like, monotonously learning all these days. So they will be more fun and, engaging into certain activities that too outcome-based activities is such a crucial learning at this stage. So when we say we are not making the leaders, but we are producing the leaders, so we mean in everyone.
And with this, I can end up that at System Business School, as Prachi said, that we deliver the leaders, the future managers. Because here at SBS, we don't provide a passive MBA experience, rather a transformative one, where we make uncomfortable environment for the students in terms of rigorous trainings, rigorous assignments, rigorous case studies, methodologies. And my message is to the audience that if you are looking for such kind of MBA, so SBS is the right place for you.
So beautiful ladies, I have one question for both of you कि मैं सिस्टेक बिजनेस स्कूल ही क्यों आऊं?
We at System Business School practicing each and every minor to major aspects. It for us, it is not only MBA, but actually we are delivering the leadership qualities to the students. इतने सारे इवेंट्स हैं, इतने सारे कल्चर स्पेसिफिक नोट्स हैं, डे टू डे इतने एक्टिविटीज हैं कि आप भूल जाओगे कि आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ पढ़ने आए हो। आप यहाँ पे डे टू डे लाइफ में एक लीडरशिप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो, एक माइंडसेट चेंज कर रहे हो और अपने आप को इस काबिल बना रहे हो कि मैं जैसे ही बाहर की दुनिया को फेस करूं तो आई विल बी वेल इनफ टू रिप्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ एज अ कॉन्फिडेंट लीडर, एज अ मेच्योर पर्सनैलिटी एंड टू फाइट ऑल द challenges in the corporate world.
एट SBS जैसा मैंने कहा कि हम सिर्फ सोचते नहीं, हम डिलीवर भी करते हैं। फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट डे फॉर आवर BBA स्टूडेंट्स हम एक करियर एडवांसमेंट ट्रेनिंग चलाते हैं, जिसमें हम स्टूडेंट्स को क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, रीजनिंग, एनालिटिकल स्किल्स उस पर तैयार करते हैं, ताकि वो कोई भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स को आराम से फेस कर सके और अपने करियर में एक्सेल कर सके। हम MBAs के लिए भी डे वन से कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, जिसमें हम उन्हें ग्रुप डिस्कशंस के लिए पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट उनकी क्लासेस लेते हैं। देन वी हैव मॉक ड्रिल्स फॉर इंटरव्यूज, देन वी हैव कैप्सूल कोर्सेज फॉर इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव्स। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये कुछ ऐसी हमारी यूनिक फीचर्स हैं दैट नो बिजनेस स्कूल इज प्रोवाइडिंग, एंड दैट इज आवर मूल मंत्र फॉर द स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयरनेस फॉर द कॉर्पोरेट।
सोफेस्टिकेटेड डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ इनको एक स्मार्ट
Correct.
AI बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेसेस में भी डाला जाता है, जिसमें ये केस लाइक बेसिस स्टडी करते हैं, जिसमें इनका रियल टाइम कॉम्पिटिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर रहता है। साथ में इनको इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स जैसे हेड स्टार्ट इवेंट है, उसके अंदर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है कि ये कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के जितने सेक्टर्स हैं उनके लीडर्स से वन टू वन बात कर पाए। जब हम प्लेसमेंट्स की बात करते हैं तो इफ वी आर प्रॉमिसिंग फ्रॉम दी स्टेज की we are ensuring their placements, we mean it. That means any student who are providing us a good attendance in the classroom, we are delivering them the campus placements. So इसमें भी परफॉर्म करने के लिए इनके पास सिर्फ HR, मार्केटिंग और फिनटेक ये तीन ही प्रोफाइल्स नहीं है। बियॉन्ड प्रोविजन इनके लिए AI एक्सपर्ट टूल टू ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म, AI बेस्ड मॉडल्स, बहुत सारे ऐसे फीचर्स हैं, कंसल्टिंग जॉब रोल्स हैं जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स आउटडेटेड नहीं होता। स्टूडेंट्स की प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाती है कि कॉर्पोरेट्स के साथ एक नीश कैंपसेस, नीश कॉर्पोरेट प्रोफाइल्स और एक बेहतर सैलरी हम उनको ऑफर कर पाए।
Well, ma'am, you guys have really motivated me either to myself enroll again for MBA or enroll my kid for MBA at Systech Business School. So, thank you so much for being with us today. Any last message that you have for our audience that why should Systech Business School be the choice?
Be the one who can lead the race.